ShaeNatural here, and I am back with another video. Y'all, I know I'm behind with my Sunday video, but listen, somebody told your girl to take summer classes. Like, it'll be easy, they said. Take summer classes, they said. Bro, somebody set me up. Y'all set me up. But no, I'm just kidding. But I am taking summer classes, and listen, on my nerves already. Classes just started, what, this week, last week, this week? Get out of here. Goodbye. Anyways, that's not gonna stop me. It's not gonna stop me. I refuse to let it stop me. Anyways, I'm sorry, I'm a little behind, but here I go. I'm here. I wasn't gone for too long. Okay, I'm here. So today I'm going to be doing a pre-poo with you guys / review using Shea hair butter. So this is Shea hair butter. Today I did, well, in this video I did a pre-poo with it. And y'all, I only used half the jar. Like, I know it seems like a lot, but that's really like, for my hair, I thought I was gonna need this whole jar, okay? Like, okay. So a little goes a long way with this stuff, and I really like it. So yeah, and it softened my hair so nice. Like, I see myself doing like a stretched out hairstyle with this butter. Like, just, you know, like a real, I keep saying like, I'm like, we're gonna count how many times I said like. But I see myself doing a nice, you know, stretched out hairstyle with that butter. And it just like keep my hair nice and elongated and stretched out, but also moisturized. I really see that. So I'm definitely gonna try that out in the future video. But yeah, today I'm just going to be doing a regular old pre-poo and / review, even though I'm telling y'all I love them already. And if you want to use the products, use code INLOVE2. I'm gonna put it down in the description below so you can go see it and check them out. And yeah, y'all did my but nah, cause if y'all saw my sleek back bun hair video, I was really trying to do these. I don't know like how I did them today, but I was really trying to do my edges like this, and it just was not working out. Just was not working out. I guess every time I try to do them on camera just messes me up, because every time I do them on camera, they be looking pretty decent. So I don't be knowing. I don't know what's going on. I don't. Anyways. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you receive all my post notifications on my posts. Thank you. Alright, that's enough of me talking. Without further ado, let's get into the. What's up, guys? So as you guys can see, my hair is already parted into 4 separate sections, and now I'm going to be using my Shea hair butter to do my pre-poo today, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my hair. You guys, it can be used as both a pre-poo and a sealant. No silicones, parabens, mineral oils, dyes, petroleum, sulfates, none of that bad stuff. So I'm really excited to use this as a pre-poo. This is actually my first time using it, and yeah, let's try it out. Now, I have used this like just on my hair before, and I love like how it felt. So this is my first time just using it as an actual pre-poo. So what I'm actually gonna do is first spray my hair with this. This is aloe vera juice and water, diluted with water, and then I put a little bit of oil in there. I'm gonna shake it up and first spray my hair very well. And this is just, of course, to saturate it. Okay, now I'm going to take some of my Shea hair butter, and let me show you guys how, like, look at it. Nice, rich consistency. And now I'm gonna put it over my hair. Oh, that feels really nice. I like how this feels. Wow, I like this stuff. I like how it makes my hair feel. You see, I also put some on my scalp. Wow, this stuff really makes my hair feel really soft. I really like that. Live it, let your nerves shake while the earthquake. Do the bird like it's purple rain. Now say something stupid.
Now roll some up. What you waiting for? Roll some up. Eyes low.
Then when I'm done with each section, I'm just gonna twist it up and continue to the next section. And you guys, my hair feels so good and moisturized. Like, I love this stuff. Like, I would use this after I do my blowouts and things. Well, not blowouts, but literally like blow dry my hair if I'm about to get some braids or something and I need something to keep my hair moisturized while my braids are in. I would definitely use that.
The next best to the best, but the best ain't rain yet. So I guess we all kings, yes.
I'm just gonna wrap it around and then do the same for the next sections.
Negativity breeds nothing but ills. That's why I paint the perfect picture with the team that I.
And I'm gonna first take my aloe vera juice mixed with water and oils and spray my hair.
Homies on my team made a whole fucking album with my family.
And I'm gonna add on my Shea hair butter.
If you love life, don't ever let it waste, y'all. That's why you gotta make love, make peace, make noise, make art. Let me get a soul clap. Can I get a soul?
And then one thing I really liked about this hair butter, y'all, I just knew that this whole jar was gonna be gone by the time I was done doing this Preepoo. But a little actually goes a long way, I'm noticing.
Let's get rich and give everybody nice sweaters and teach them how to dance. Let's get rich and build a house on a mountain, making everybody look like ants. From way up there, you and I, you and I.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, and I'm done. I'm probably gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes to an hour, and then I'm gonna wash and condition my hair, of course, and I will be back to show you guys how my hair looks. See you later. I'm also gonna put on this shower cap that I got from Shea. Yo, this one of these good shower caps too. Like, thank you. I appreciate that. I appreciate that a lot. So I'm gonna put this on. I'm gonna put that on while I wait, and I'll be back, guys. See you later. Okay, that was it for my Preepoo video. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell next to the subscribe button. Y'all know, y'all already know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions or just want to connect with me, of course, connect with me through my social medias or comment down below. I will put my social medias down in the description as well. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Love you. Like, I'm like